How to share your Word document to Gmail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Word document to your Google email easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Word. Now choose the document that you want to share, for example this one, and go to the top here and choose this option. And now choose share as attachment and choose if you want to share a document or PDF, and then it will give you this page. Click on Gmail right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.